welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful lip gloss, then keep on watching. First, we need a mixing plate. Next, we need a spatula. We also need a lip gloss base, and I am using the TKB Versal gel gloss base in my formulation. We need some pipettes, a syringe, some measuring spoons. We also need a liquid lip pigment, and I'm using this as my coloring. Grapeseed oil, flavoring oil or flavoring scent, hydrogenated polyisobutene, some squeeze tubes, and that is all we need for this formulation. So I just went in with 2 spoons of the TKB Versal gel gloss base in my mixing plate, and I'm just going to add in 1 spoon of the grapeseed oil to my gel base. And then I am going to give this a very good stir. There is one tip I am going to be giving us today, which is to mix properly. You need to mix and mix and mix properly to achieve your desired result. Either when you are adding your base oil to the gel base or your liquid pigment to the gel base, you need to mix and mix and mix properly. We don't want a situation whereby the next day or few hours after making the gloss, there is separation, whereby your gel base is at the bottom, your liquid pigment is at the top, and then your base oil is at the middle. So to avoid situations like that, you need to mix and mix and mix properly till you are sure everything is fully incorporated. Okay, so I'm just going to be mixing and mixing and mixing everything till I'm sure the gloss base and the base oil are fully incorporated. Next, I'm going to be adding in my red liquid pigment to my gel base, and I'm going in with a few drops in my gel base. Now, this liquid pigment is not going to hurt the lips. It is a safe cosmetic product. It is not going to burn the lips. It is not going to cause irritations on the lips. It is quite safe to be used on the lips. So I'm just going to mix it up with my gel base. Also, it's from TKB Trading, but I got it from a vendor on Instagram. So next thing, I'm going to add a few drops of hydrogenated polyisobutene to my gloss base. Now, when you finish making your lip gloss and you want it to have this shiny look, to have this glossy finish, then you need to add in a few drops of hydrogenated polyisobutene. So next in, I am going in with my flavoring oil. I am using vanilla flavoring oil, and this is because I couldn't get the cherry flavoring oil or the watermelon flavoring oil, and I'm just going to mix that up. So I wasn't satisfied with the color I got, so I decided to add in more liquid pigment to make it pop even more. So I am just going to be filling in my squeeze tube. So I connected my pipette to my syringe, and that is what I am using to fill in my squeeze tubes. As we can all see, I made a very small quantity, so there is no much tubes to fill. So I'm just going to fill the rest off camera. Now this is what we have here. Our lip gloss is ready. So I'm just giving our glosses a soap bath, and what I have here is basically just soap and water, no disinfectant. The essence of this is to help prevent it from being sticky and also to help with extra sanitization. So you need to do this about 3 to 4 times, then you rinse with clean water, and then you are good to go. Your lip gloss won't feel sticky. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you do, please do not forget to give me a very big thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.